Okay, quick one. I just want to go through town hall meeting yesterday of Nkere and their group. Yesterday, the North and South American town hall meeting, they gathered together. I mean, from Nkere camp, not from USB. They gathered together to make a donation and to do some reaction and all that. Reacting on what is going on and raise money, of course. So we are going to listen to Oginkere's speech on that town hall meeting. So I'm not going to play everything because it's quite long. So what will happen is that we're going to focus on what Oginkere said in this speech. Before then, like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new, and put your comment and let me know what you think about what the video is all about. I would like to hear from you. That reminds me, some of us that want to make a kind of suggestion or trying to, say something on my comment. I welcome that, but please, can you be polite in some of your words because some of you actually taking advantage of my calmness, or I don't want to say quietness. Some of you think that I am just like a red oil, vegetable. You can just cook me and eat me anytime you want, and no problem. I'm not like that too. If you talk bad, I will talk bad to you. I don't see you. I don't know your age, so don't get it twisted. If you comment like a child, I will reply you like a child. If you comment, so don't say, "Oh, this guy is rude." I'm not rude because I have seen a video of, yesterday when we were streaming live, somebody called, said that calling from Enugu in Ababa. For some of you that were that in live, if you are in our live stream yesterday, you must know the lady that I'm talking about, who called and said that Governor Peter Mba have done this and done that, and saying that trying to advise or stop us from talking about what we were discussing, saying that everyone meaning that we should pay more close attention to what Adadarama is saying. I wouldn't want to bring that issue here again, but I have to say it the way I feel. Sometimes you need to understand that I'm a human being like you. The lady, when she called, we are trying to discuss with her. Then all of a sudden, she jumped from that and starts, say, my friend, that's what with you guys, my friend. From there, she actually hung call when my brother, the person that I was hosting, we are having the program together, Biafran Exodus TV. We were together on that live broadcast, and he was the one trying to address her. Then she hung up the call. Now, after the program, a few hours later, I got a notification from message from someone on my WhatsApp telling me what that lady appeared on that drama's program, discussing about it and saying that we insulted her because she talked about that drama. You see, some of you are virus. I'm not talking about you that are following the platform. I'm talking about those that are flying from place to place. Ada actually believed what she said, but she did not care to understand why, if that thing is true or not. That's a problem. But for some of us who don't understand what that means, she came on that program, insulted all of us, because when after saying what she wanted to say, trying to address her, trying to explain this to her, she got offended because the explanation and the response did not go the way she wants. Therefore, she have to hang up the call and rush to Adadarama to complain. And people did not even caution her on that comment section, because I have to go there and see what happened. And people can say anything and do anything because they think that everything is, they have the right. And the part that got me, where I felt bad is that she said that we rain insult on her. That I even said that I have marked her that she's not gonna call again. That I will not answer her call. I did not say I will not gonna answer your call. What I said that I will not bring you in. I may answer your call, but I will not allow people to hear what you are saying. Why? Because you refuse to take correction. If you're actually sensible enough, what you should have done is call back and put, okay, maybe your line went off or somebody there's an emergency, but for you not to call back simply means that you intentionally hang out the call, meaning that you don't know what it means to hang someone call when you are talking, when the person is still talking to you. Anyway, that's her choice. But you see how they deceive people. Ada actually believed because of her. That is why that call, we ended the call, or she don't even say that she don't even tell Ada that she was one that hung the call. But she said that we were insulting her because she talked about Adadarama, trying to poison Adadarama with our name. Are you getting the point? But that, I'm not here to defend myself about it, but all of you watch the video and you know what happened. Having said that, somebody made a comment and trying to advise, that I should not bring anything Royce on my platform. That I'm the one making him relevant and all that. I don't understand. These people, really, you don't understand what they're doing on social media, because what they're trying to do is to bring, expand the division and confusion. If you don't debunk it, it will continue like that, and people will start seeing him as Botoso. Get it right. I don't want to say that. In fact, I'm not supposed to explain this to you, but why I'm saying those things, because there's another comment which I consider pure insult, and that our brother says something that I should focus. We should focus that I'm the only one he had been on other platforms, that I'm only one that still talk about these irrelevant people. He did not mention those irrelevant people. I believe he was talking about all the Nkere and maybe Royce and the rest of them. That I'm the only one still talking about them, which is a lie. That I am the one making them relevant. He visited other platforms, but only my own. Each time he comes to my platform, then I will remind him of those irrelevant people. That I should focus on how to make the government, better and everything. You forgot that the activities of Royce and those ones that I'm talking about is to cripple the finance of the government, which you yourself don't understand, because you think that you can run government by mouth without money, right? You don't understand what the damages that they are inflicting on the government. But if you don't understand it, good and fine. I have actually gone through your message, and I felt so bad because you said something again, that is it all about me making money, but that's why I'm talking about them. You see how myopic people can be. As if making money is a taboo, or is forbidden. I told you, if you want to make money, you can register your own, start making money. If you think that is just wake up and start making money, good. Start making the money, right? But I have sent reply him, and I believe that he will receive that reply in a good faith. You cannot come to me and bash me and say that you have to be blunt. I have to be bluntly reply you as well, so you know how it feels to be blunt. Anyway, that is it, my people. Let's go to the program of the day. So Nkere made a speech. We are going to run through that speech now. And please, before then, like I said, like the video and comment. Tell me what you think about what the video is all about. What's your own take? Do you understand what I said? Is there anything that I said here that maybe contradicts what you know, or what you are aware of, especially what happened yesterday? Just put your comment there and make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Share it on many platforms of your choice. So let's hear your brother. Okay, Nkere.
APM's address. Come up, our honorable Nkere Machineke. The floor is yours.
Thank you,
Okay.
Honorable Chinyere. Thanks for all you're doing, and the North and South American rep, Honorable Emenike. Thank you. Greetings, fellow Biafrans. Greetings to Biafra Republic government in exile, all the cabinet members, reps, admin, and continental reps as well. We remember our heroes. We remember our leader, Odume Ojukwu. We remember our leader, Philip Effiong, and our two great leaders, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. We appreciate all you are doing, even where both of you are. You all decide not to still give up the fight of Biafra, but rather still keep the fire burning, still keep fighting for the freedom of your people. We appreciate you, our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekwe.
So I allowed him to go through this introduction because I wanted to see how he started, the energy in the word, in his voice, what he's saying, and the way he's going about it. Because I don't want to start from the middle so that some of you may say, "Oh, he was flowing very very fine." He started like somebody who just woke up from sleep. Okay, I'm not. This is not to cajoke him, but for you to know, when I said that I don't see any charisma, this is one of it. Don't get it twisted. And I'm not trying to tell you that he's a nobody. No, but for you to see the energy, okay, pay attention.
Honorable Mobi Ane. Is the COS here? All right. If not, Honorable Sonny Abarawa. So you will be my timekeeper this time because you have come to my knowledge that I don't talk enough, that I need to speak more, take more time instead of less time. Thank you, fellow Biafrans.
APM. I think say you want to make I reduce your time. That's why they ask to increase time.
Okay. So be my timekeeper. Thank you.
Okay.
Fellow Biafrans.
Did you hear that? He called his COS, said Obinna. I think I know the guy. I think I've seen that guy's picture before. He's his own COS, right? He was calling the person to be his timekeeper. They have called his attention that he don't speak, long enough when he address to when he speak or address Biafrans, he don't speak long enough. That's people are complaining because some of these that we are saying, they are getting it right. They know, they understand it, but the problem is that we don't want to succumb. Let us be who we are. Let us continue pushing me here, pushing me here. Can I patch? Can I patch? Well, this thing you are patching, where will it end? Now, so for working, but this is not his nature. That Agbarawa, who would love to cajole people, did not hesitate to actually throw him to the under the bus again because by saying that yes, you APM, you normally tell me to reduce this time. Now you want to add time because according to him, people have called his attention. Look, that COS always will take time. Copy. To me, if sometimes if I listen to CS, fundraising, I feel like telling, I feel like giving her signal to stop that she's speaking, quite long more than to me it is too long. But somebody who have something to say will not ask you to reduce time. Akbarawa made it clear here that he normally asks Akbarawa, can you just give me 2 minutes? Then my speech is just 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we continue. But on the other side in USB, people like me are looking for a way to advise US. Can you summarize it? Let it get a little bit shorter because she can, if she want to talk, and everything she's talking is sensible. Like you will feel like, let me hear more, let me hear more, let me hear more. But why I said that I prefer her to reduce the time that she talk is because of the time. They're like sometimes when they start fundraising, we want to see how the whole thing will flow. We enjoy that. Yeah, I feel like she may be spend all this time, addressing Biafrans. Maybe people will go and sleep. People may decide to go and sleep, go to bed and all that kind of thing because they cannot wait all that long. But trust Biafrans, if they love you, they love you. You can't, no matter what you do. And she, not that her speech is wrong. Don't get me wrong. What I'm saying is that to compare with Nama, now you can cut all some minutes. Today, he want to see how long he can spend in his speech. And you see how many minutes he spent greeting people. I greet, I say my PM, my Namodekano, BDF, hello Biafran. All these things is to buy the time. So that end of it all, that he spends 7 minutes, 10 minutes at the restaurant. Wow, APM, you are not trying. Like it's an achievement. It become an achievement. That normally he speak 3 minutes, but now he can manage 10 or 15 minutes in another. Now listen.
Lots have been happening. A lot is going on.
Just notice the pause, like after pronouncing one word, pronounce again, pronounce again. That time counts, and that is one of the that is also the time that he want people to count for him. Now, go and play COS. It will sometimes you have to be very very active to flow, because she will be running fast. Not only running fast, she will run fast and say something meaningful and very very vocal, and you can feel the energy.
And we all know after our declaration what have transpired. And that's the reason why there's a lot to talk about. Because we need to make sure that we put our house in order. It's a lot of work to do. So please, whenever I'm here, I'm sorry if I take too much time, but I don't mean to. It's just because there's a lot of activities, a lot of stuff going on. And whenever I'm out here, I try my best to use the opportunity to talk to Biafrans as much as I can.
So he's not telling you that be aware that henceforth I will be adding sometimes when I talk. Not because they told me to say, after telling you that they have notified him that he's done talk long enough. So he want to pretend over that by telling you no, not because of that. We actually have a lot of the activities going on in Anoka. The same thing that we always have intel from PM, and when people decide to listen to you to know that intel, is always fall back, and PM is in a good faith, like what Master lawyer normally said before, that Master is in a good faith, in a high spirit. How can you be in high spirit in detention? How? Anyway, let's continue.
And to also address the issue of what is going on, what we need, and what is necessary. Every day by day, it becomes clearer the reason why they are holding our leader Mazin Namdekan against his will, of which a terrorist state is always a terrorist state. A terrorist state of Nigeria, they did not go through the normal process. Rather, they kidnapped him from Nkere. And our Prime Minister, he was also called for so-called question. Day by day, we know the reason. Still for the same cause of fighting for his people. Just like the update I gave 2 days ago, our Prime Minister will not be there forever. He will be out very soon. And our leader Mazin Namdekan, the Nigerian terrorist state, held him for over 4 years now. They don't want to release him, and they haven't found him guilty of anything. The same terrorist state have ordered his release, but being a corrupt, lawless country, a shrine of injustice, the Nigerian state refused to let him go. Why we are not shouting, yelling every day is because we know what we're releasing. I believe you will agree with me that what we are doing is what we release our leader Mazin Namdekan, because they did not kidnap him to hand him
after the arrest of PM, what is it that you are doing that will release him? I'm just asking, what is it? Because all they did, don't take glory of what PM did. What is it? Is it by dividing Biafra because you want to be a leader? Is it by insisting that they don't want to clear air on what, not even people that you hated so much, what they're saying, but an average Biafran who want to know what happened to the account that Biafrans are donating money, which is under your control? Or is it because is what that thing that you are doing, is it by telling people, telling army to do this and do that, don't call this, don't accept this, only you? That is what we're gonna do as an American. That is, you see, all these things. I'm not here to go hard on you. I'm just trying to use your to ask questions based on what you said. Because sometimes you people want to do this political statement. You forgot that you are still fighting for liberation, not only liberation, for freedom. Now politics should be, you know, out of it. Your number one purpose as someone who is still struggling to have his or her freedom is to make sure that every damn thing boils to the freedom that you're talking about, not this idea of let us do play politics. Now it is time for politics. Because you guys prefer playing politics than liberation itself. Since after the convention, in fact, before the immediately after the arrest of PM, I have not seen that thing that we release him. Releasing him by telling the army to slow down so that Biafran will know that with that army, not that what they're doing is nothing. And by so doing, people paid with their life. Then the lands and places that were under your control or under Biafran control begin to disappear and disappear until now. I don't want to say, start talking about those because some of you know what I'm talking about. But he's here telling you that what we do, what you and who do. Continue.
Over Biafra in a matter of God. Rather to stop the restoration of Biafra or to stop the freedom of Biafra. Fellow Biafrans, keep doing what you are doing, fighting for the cause that you believe. We must be a free people. Right before my speech, I have the privilege to have a phone call from Finland.
Okay.
Our civil attorney make it clear that our Prime Minister is pleased of what we are doing. If they think calling him for so-called questioning, we stop what we are doing. They fail woefully. If the zoo terrorist country called Nigeria think holding our leader Mazin Namdekan, we stop the fight that I'm fighting to free my people Biafra. If they think holding our leader,
the fight that you are fighting or that we are fighting, if this guy always want to place himself first. You said that you receive a call from Finland from his attorney. Okay, if you talk to the attorney, why don't you say that you discuss with the attorney, not that you talk to PM? You understand? Because when you say that, you trying to make it look like you are the right hand man of PM. In fact, PM have made you king and Eze. Who told you? Anyway.
we stop the fight that you are fighting to free your dear nation. failed on arrival. Biafra is more than a spirit. Biafra is God's creation. God created us to live in this beautiful planet Earth. God created us as a people to be free. I quote from Martin Luther King Jr. He said he had a dream.
Quote ya ka ọ banye na minutes, my brother. Hapụ ndị mmadụ ndị na-estress gị ikwu. I love your way. You just quote. To be honest with you, the speech has finished, but he just want to prolong it so that people will stop complaining. Ka hapụ ya ka quote ka meet gbakọta to na ya continue my dear. Martin Luther King ya. Quote onye ya. Oh my God. Okay, is it like you're looking for it?
That people will be free. That people will unite. Our dream as Biafra
No,
is that
I want
we will be
repeat.
free.
No, repeat.
That we can
No, repeat it. I want him to repeat that quote.
think, holding our leader Mazin Namdekan.
Just a moment.
We stop the fight that I'm fighting to free.
Fight that he's fighting to free, not you. He's the one fighting to free who are listen.
My people, Biafra, if they think.
But this guy, so you are now proud of you are contented with the way you are fighting to free your people. Your people are still yet to see what you are doing. Because to me, the only thing I can give it to you is that you know how to wake up very, very early in the morning and land in Capitol Hill where you take some pictures. And I thought taking pictures was free, but somebody actually told me that the place that you are taking that picture requires some something like paying money for you to land there. So is it the money that donating, this money that we have seen on social media that donating that he's using to do that kind of, play his game in the Capitol Hill and pay the lobby? If you thought that he's still paying lobby because all the Gejine as well, because the boss on was, I'm just saying, because he said to them that he's having something problems in his ex. If it were to be serious, they would have cooked up a lie that they haven't, that Elias he did this blah 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 blah. Elias maybe have decided not to post anything or fight for them because maybe the money is no longer there, or maybe he wants to decide himself, because I believe that this guy, the source of income that money he's spending is maybe is not pure, because how can you be paying all those money from this little money that they're donating on your camp? I'm just saying, because taking picture is the only thing I know that if that is the fight you're talking about, then you are doing a very strong fight. A fight of taking picture, handshake, gather together, smile, but 1, 2, go, catch them, snap the picture, doesn't like no TV video, no intel like what you have discussed with, even if it's not in a video, write up. No, tell someone about to cook up some write up. He's good at that. He can give you some, but maybe maybe he's setting high now because I don't know because we're not keep
Holding our leader. We stop the fight that you are fighting to free your dear nation. They all have failed on arrival. Biafra is more than a spirit. Biafra is God's creation. God created us to live in this beautiful planet Earth. God created us as a people to be free. I quote from Martin Luther King Jr. He said he had a dream that people will be free, that people will unite. Our dream as Biafra is that we will be free.
Mm-hmm.
We are not created to be in the same country with the zoo country called Nigeria.
Mm-hmm.
The zoo country called Nigeria is merely less than 130 years. I have a question to ask. 140 years ago, what are we called? Are we called Nigerians? The answer is no. We are Biafrans, and we will remain Biafran. Fellow Biafrans, those in homeland, we feel the pain. Everything that is happening in our homeland today is designed by our enemy to annihilate us, kill us, chase us out of our land. Please, if you're one of those that participate on this atrocity, kindly desist from it. What will it profit you if you work with our enemies and kill your own people?
I am, to be honest with you, basically, no matter what I had, that means I will be lying to you. Do you remember how PM addressed Biafra? Like, this is his own address, right? No idea, nothing like initiation of anything, like new thing that they're gonna start doing, what they need to start doing to make sure that things like the roadmap, his plan in next month, the plan, I said it before. This is just like somebody who used to have a lion in his house to guide his compound. All of a sudden, you are now in love with the busu cat, just to have a busu cat as your security in your compound. But this compound, you and everybody there used to have lion that protects the compound. All of a sudden, now what you can lay hand upon, what you have as maybe a pet or a security dog, for example, is now pussycat. Ikebo. To be honest with you, if I tell you that I will continue playing this in Imana Shikana Torogi, we are gonna end it here, my people. Everything, even the so-called his statement that 100 something years ago, the name Nigerian was invented. That before then, what were we called? These are statement of Mass Namorican. So copying it to rebrand it with new English doesn't make anything to me. To me, if you want to be yourself, like stop copy. They are pushing him to say something, speak, for for some time, speak at just add some time. I want you to have a long speech. I want you to present it so that it will be like Uncle Advisor. And these people are just pushing him around. Ọsụsọ a na-agba oge mmadụ ebe na-eme ka okwutere oge nnọọ so that people can hear. If you no be Panadol, you know people like Panadol. My people, thank you so much for your time. And please tell me what you think about this. I know some of you, Nkere, oh, what you are talking, you are just here. Nkere. Yes, I am. I'm not gonna tell you. You can't control what I do. That is for another day. My people, thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.